In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve mobile data issues on Poco C75. The first method to solve mobile data issue is try reinserting the SIM. So I will simply reinsert the SIM. After reinserting the SIM, I hope your issue will be fixed. If it is not fixed, then try restarting your phone. Press the power button and volume up button at the same time. Slide up to power off. Now simply press the power button. Phone is restarted. I hope your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then follow the third method. Go in settings. Go in more connectivity options. Scroll down. Go in reset Wi-Fi and mobile network. Now tap on reset settings. Tap on OK. Now I hope your issue is fixed. So by following these three methods, you can solve mobile data issues in Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel